I'm standing before you, so I'm your host and host. So my name is Devas Kumar. So my topic is what I do a whole day. So first of all, I get up in the morning at 5 p.m. Then after I check my phone and I drink a glass of lukewarm water that is very helpful for our health. Then after I go to bathroom, then I complete my call of nature and then after I take exercise by 30 minutes. After take exercise, I rest 15 minutes. And then I get ready to go to coaching, and before go to coaching I take tea along with biscuit and then I go out the coaching at 6:45 a.m. Then I reach at coaching at 7 p.m. Then 7 p.m. Then I enter the class and take my seat, and all students come in the class, and teacher come in the class, and all the students stand up on their place, and all them greet to good morning sir, and the teacher replies all of them good morning to you too. Then after this class is done, this class is run from 7:15 to 8:15 a.m. spoken English, and then 8:15 to 9:15 11 class run, and then after arts class run from 8:15 to 9:15 to 10:15. And during this time we learn English speaking, writing and understanding. And as far as prepare of arts stream, and the class is over at 10:20 a.m. Then all the students return on their home, and also return my home. Then through going to, I saw a lot of things that is attract toward it, and we reach at home at 10:30 a.m. and after reaching home I take a rest 15 minutes, and I sit for taking food, and I have rice balls and curry in lunch. Each type of food is very healthy for our body. And after taking lunch, I take 15 minutes rest, and I go out the office at 11:30 a.m. and my work is collect money and receive the issue. This type of work I do in office, and my work is over at 2 p.m. and then after I come home and take rest 5 minutes, and then after take lunch in afternoon. Then I take a power nap of 1 hour, and I wake up at 3:30 p.m. and I get ready to go to collection of tray, and my collection of over at 6:30 p.m. and I come up home and take a rest of 30 minutes and update my phone at 30 minutes of reel 30 minutes, and I take then after I sit down for study to 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Then after I take dinner, and after taking dinner I go to bed and take sleep. Thank you.